dati ni kimata kami ti detoy step vinegar map. But it's supposed to be multi floor. But you can actually use it to clean your walls. Saan tingnan mo? Yes, wala napaspusan na napasponsyulitan. So, bali mo na ito nga. Dalo sa pinis nun. Weird cut tayo. So, terus tayo walls. Nakalang at pinintro ako. Napakamating katagdanan. Katagdanan ng TV. Bumang flow. Nice, what I did feel like a hard to reach area. So take some hindi na customize ang wall. At dapat tape na ako tahandan ng kasanatintihan. Siguro okay 10 minutes. Okay 10 minutes. Nagpasko na puti. Nagdalos ko sa mga wall. So, wala ang walls natin na balay. Binatang ko lang ito kay Amazon. The Walmart Canadian Tire would cost you like $40, even the on sale. Amazon's the one on sale, and I bought it for $29. Okay. Amazon. So 10 minutes clean up walls, one whole wall. I'll put 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. Okay. Something wrong.